and I are at our beloved Wawa. Sometime today we're going to film a project that we did a year or so ago. And I don't have the before footage, but I do have before pictures. And what it is a 3-car garage that is attached to a single-story house. Anyway, so we took this 3-car garage and we turned it into an in-law apartment, and it has everything. It has a super large laundry room to service the main house. That's where we got the room to build the pantry that we're working on now. Plus there's also a separate little wash area. It's not being utilized right now, but a separate little wash area for the apartment side. What else is in there? Big
family room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen.
Full-size kitchen.
Full-size kitchen, pantry.
And open concept, so the kitchen and the living room area are together. It has a separate entrance, so you can enter from outside through the apartment to the apartment through a door where you don't have to encroach the main house at all. A lot of hard work, but a really, really cool apartment. So I'm looking forward to showing you guys that, and I might rent it for Lisa once this lady don't want to live there no more. You might take me up on that, huh?
I might. I might.
Oh, goodness gracious. Anyway, in addition to that, we're going to carry on with the pantry day. We should be about finished with that. We got still waiting on a custom door, but we got a little paint work to do, put some shoe mold down, a little caulking, and that's about it for that, right?
Yep.
That turned out real nice. So anyway, we'll catch you guys at the apartment. Here we are on the garage. Well, what's a garage? 3-car garage. Now an in-law apartment. So I'll give you a shot of this front real quick, and you can see it doesn't look like a garage anymore. So we got an entrance door here, and I believe it was 3 8-foot doors when we started. We had one down here, of course one in the middle, one at the far right. So obviously all this has been framed up and altered. And we got the foundation all the way across the porch, foundation vents. And I don't have any before video, but I do have some pictures that we took while we were putting this thing together, so I'll insert some of them here and there so you can see what happens. But anyway, so this is the one entrance. Turn the lights on, babe. So you can see this is pretty cool. We come in and we get 3 steps up because we get to the elevation that the family room is in. And this here is the old door. New door going to the old steps goes to the attic space above this. And we got a coat closet and a really, really nice laundry room. Through this door is the sunroom. We're going to do some work in there as well, and into the main house. But this has got it all. We got hot wash and dryer here, slop sink and cabinets, storage cabinets over there, and where was the button for that?
It's a remote.
I forget. See if this thing will work. Under the steps that go upstairs is the hot water. A little bit of storage. This is actually a lift that goes to the upstairs, but I don't have a clue where the remote is.
This is the remote.
It is the remote?
Yeah, must be dead.
Ask her if she got a battery. Anyway, I picked out some fine colors in here. So, in this store, oh, big kitty cat. Two kitty cats. So again, this was part of the garage. We have a full bathroom. Nice window, walk-in shower, vanity, oh, and a laundry closet, towels, whatever. Then we come into this area and we got the kitchen. As well as the eating area. So you can see this is squared away. I would have no problem at all living in here. And we got a full-size living room space here. Coat closet when we come in the door. We have a closet here as well. This houses a washer and dryer, stackable, if you wanted to use one. And obviously we replaced all the windows in here, all new windows. Really a cool place for what was an old garage. And here you see, we have a full bedroom with closet, nice double window. So here we go, looking down the hall from this end. I had to tell you, this little place is squared away. And it has a separate entrance here that goes out to the back with a sidewalk to the driveway. And I'll show you that in just a minute, but we are squared away in here. I wouldn't have a problem living in here.
The power's on it.
Huh?
The power's on now.
What did I do wrong?
There's a switch in there. Remember at the bottom of the steps, the power, so it doesn't access.
Oh, that's right, a safety switch. So do it, Lisa. So you will put stuff upstairs, don't feel like carrying it up the steps. Now ain't that something?
It holds 250 pounds.
250? There you put your Christmas decorations on there and bada bang. Ain't that something? Anyway, I forget, isn't this right around 1,000 feet total? Something like that?
Yes, yes.
And then let me get you a shot here again. If you go into this, through this door, which we just came out of, looking down through the apartment to the entrance door. Plus we have independent HVAC. So it truly is an apartment. Just go outside and take a peek around. So this lets right out onto the driveway. The road in is right there. So you park. Beautiful piece of property here though. Look at that. And we got a sidewalk. Goes up to the new door and a little porch. Now obviously we reframed that wall and made all that happen. So that's pretty cool. There's our condensing unit. This is the back of the main house. And this is the back of the apartment. Adjacent to the sunroom in the corner. So obviously we reframed all these windows in where they needed. You see, you got the short ones where the bathroom is, where the laundry room and the kitchen is, and then the long narrow one where the bathroom's at. And then this is in the eating area, this last one. And the elevation was super low, so we dug a trench, laid some block, parged it, and flashed it to keep the water away from the framing. The code requires, at least in this area, requires at least 8 inches from your foundation plate to earth. And we didn't have nowhere near that, so we built essentially a retaining wall. And of course we resided all the trim we left, but we resided the whole thing. And here's the front again. There's Janet. That's the lovely lady that lives in that cool apartment.
Oh my God, shut that off.
Anyway, that's it. So, where we live, we had to eliminate a bedroom in the main house. We're all on septic here. And septic, when they do the perk test, it perks for how many bedrooms, not how many bathrooms, how many kitchens, that kind of thing. I guess the bedrooms, they're going to figure what's going to dictate how many people live in this house, hence how many people are going to be using the septic system. So the main house, we had to eliminate a bedroom because we were adding one out here, and the homeowners didn't have a problem with that. This is their forever house, and the bedroom, which was a bedroom that we eliminated, is the room where the homeowner does his hobbies. So that is now a hobby room and not a bedroom. Anyway, hope this gives you a good idea of what you can do if you got the space. If you got the space, you can make it happen. So anyway, that's our garage to apartment renovation.
Yes, very nice.